Hi, I am Lokesh Reddy from CSCA section. My topic is types of matrix. Matrix, a system of nm numbers or elements arranged in a rectangular arrangement along m rows or n columns or bounded by the brackets is called an m by n matrix, which is written as m into n matrix. Here, A is the matrix of order m into n. It has m rows and n columns. Each of the mn numbers is called an element of the matrix. The matrix A is denoted by Aj, Aij. The Ij's are real and complex numbers. These are called the elements of the matrix. First one, order of the matrix. The order of the matrix is denoted by the number of its row and column. Row matrix. A matrix has a single row is called row matrix. Example 1 into 4 matrix. Column matrix. A matrix has a simple column is called an column matrix. Note: row and column matrices are sometimes called row vectors and column vectors. Square matrix. A matrix has n rows and n columns is called square matrix of the order n. Example: A is equal to 2 into 2 matrix, B is equal to 3 into 3 matrix. Note: the diagonal of the matrix B containing the elements 1, 5, 9 is called the leading or main or principal diagonal. The sum of the main diagonal elements of a square matrix A is called the trace of A. Null or zero matrix. In an matrix, if all the elements are zeros, then the matrix is called null or zero matrix and it denoted by O. Example: 2 into 2 matrix or 3 into 2 matrix. Diagonal matrix. In a square matrix, all the elements except elements in the main diagonal are zeros. Then the matrix is called a diagonal matrix. Example: A is equal to 3 into 3 matrix 1 0 0 2 0 0 0 4, that is 3 into 3 matrix. Scalar matrix. A scalar matrix which all the elements of its leading diagonals are each and the other elements are zeros is called the scalar matrix. Example: A is equal to 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2 into 3, that is 3 into 3 matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. A diagonal matrix of order n which has until unity of all its diagonal elements and zero of the elements is called an unit matrix or an identity matrix of n and it is denoted by Ln. L3 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, that is 3 into 3 matrix. Upper triangle matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements below the leading diagonals are 0 is called upper triangle matrix. A is equal to 3 into 3 matrix. U is equal to U11 U12 U13 0 U22 U23 0 0 U43. Low triangle matrix. A square matrix is which all the elements above the leading diagonals are zeros is called low triangular matrix. A is equal to 3 into 3 matrix. Lower triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements above the leading diagonal are zeros is known as or is called as row triangle matrix. Example: A is equal to 3 into 3 matrix. Transpose of the matrix. Transpose of a matrix. The matrix got from any given matrix by interchanging in rows and columns is called transpose of a transpose of A and denoted by A dash or A power T. Example: A is equal to 1 2 3 4 1 1, that is 2 into 3 matrix. Thank you.